The rain and the cold, getting my knees all burned up. Wet roads and motorcycles don't really like each other much, especially something like this, which is nearly 365 kilograms and it has a lot of torque, so a little bit squishy here and there. But the highways are okay. In the city it was very oily and like that, but it's all right. It's enough range to get your knees really cold because the knees are exposed to the wind, knees are cold, feet are cold. 6 hours, 6 hours of riding in the rain. I thought just now, when we took a break, the rain took a break, when I'm about to start on, this is like Kaveri calling. Kaveri calling, if I start my engine, boom, it'll rain.